all for doing Law Ki Padhai together. I know you all must be enjoying doing Law Ki Padhai with me. Friends, I'm really waiting for your doubts. I want doubts from your side so as to make me clear that whatever I am teaching you, you're able to understand that very nicely. I'm sure you must be able to understand it because I'm not using any difficult words. And if at all I'm using difficult words, I am, in shorts video, I am discussing the word meanings as well. So you can refer to my videos which I post regularly. I post that daily. One word meaning I discuss daily and one legal maxim also. I am discussing it on a daily basis. So you can go through my videos in shorts and you can understand the meaning of different words so that it will be very easier for you to understand the legal language. Okay. So as I told you yesterday, today I'll be picking up one of the most important and interesting topics. You can say it is one of my favorite topics in jurisprudence. It is the interrelationship between jurisprudence and psychology. Interesting, right? Yes, I know. Even I find it interesting. So, what is psychology? Psychology is basically the study of human minds. What one thinks. What is the reason behind the act of a person? Is a psychology. What a person thinks about other. What way is he thinking about the other? What is his thinking process? How broad is his thinking process? That everything of such kind depends upon the psychology of the person. And our society plays a very important role for the development of the psychology of the individuals. It is not only the home which contributes towards building up the psychology of the human mind, but also his friends, his relatives, his society. Yes, you must understand that the psychology is made by the society. There is no individual contribution in the building up of the psychology of any individual, okay? And as I told you, psychology is basically the knowledge which is concerned with the study of the human minds and the study of the human brain rather, okay? Since law is concerned with the study of the society as well, okay? Any law which is made for the society. You know this very nicely. And the laws are concerned, they are related with the human action. And the human actions are, controlled by the human mind. Human mind is responsible for any action of the human being. Okay. So, particularly if we'll take an example, we can take an example of criminology. Okay. Any crime any crime which is done by any person, okay, any act of criminal nature which is done by any person, the court always studies the psychology of that person, okay? And ultimately, when we say that we are dealing with jurisprudence, we say that it is the branch where we study the law. So, if I'm taking an example of criminal law is all related with the law of crimes, penal studies and penal procedures, what kind of punishment to be given to the offender, what degree of punishment to be given to the offender, and everything of this sort requires the clear understanding of psychology. We must understand the psychology of the offender as well, okay? It is not that we should ignore this concept. No, we should never ignore. Also, when we talk about the theories of punishments, I'll discuss that topic later on. There are theories of punishments, and one of such theories of punishment is the reformative theory, which aims at reforming the offender, okay? So, in that theory also, the understanding of psychology plays a very, very important role. Psychology and jurisprudence cannot be studied isolated from each other. There is a connection, okay? There is a connection in the making of the law process and psychology. We must understand that the making of the law, okay? When the laws are made keeping in mind the psychology of the people, the culture of the state. Everything plays a very important role in the making of the laws. Okay, and hence one should be able to connect the laws with the psychology. Why? Because psychology plays a very important role in, dealing with the offenders. Okay, once you'll come to know what is the psychology of the offender, you will be able to understand the reason behind his crime. Why did he commit that crime? Okay, and hence you will be able to either improve him or punish him and so on. Okay, also you must have now understood that why psychology is important part of jurisprudence, because jurisprudence aims at studying law, okay, and law cannot be studied without understanding the human minds. All the laws are made in such a manner keeping in mind the psychology of the people, okay, because ultimately laws are connected with the society, and the society is composed of various human beings. There are a number of individuals, and every individual has a different psychology. Hence, the laws are made keeping in mind the general psychology of the people. Also, you must have gone through, I think, basics of the laws you must be knowing. I'll discuss it, don't worry. Negligent act. Psychology plays a very important role in law of torts as well. Negligent act, torts, law of contracts, okay, civil law, constitutional law, everywhere it plays a very important role. Yes, and hence it is said that psychology and jurisprudence are interrelated concepts. They are studied together. Okay, I think that you must now be clear with the concept, and in case you still face any problem, you face any kind of doubts, please feel free to reach out to me in the comments. Please mention your doubts, and I would be more than happy to make a separate video on the topics related to your doubts. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it is one and only one thing which motivates to do even much more better for you all. Okay, so let's meet tomorrow with another small topic, and that's all for the day. So take care. Bye bye. Let's meet tomorrow.